I flew it at God, now you're gonna make me go all the way to.
You won't crash it, don't worry.
Stop saying it!
If you do, I look down there.
Stop it!
Have a nice
Stop!
Like, quick drop to it.
God. You guys are the worst. Well, you are at least. You and Max. How is Max? You talk to him?
Yeah, he's well, I mean, no one can really.
Oh, I still the old smoke thing's still in there. The last one I used. Oh well, it'll stay. That's gross. I gotta get my hands all cleaned up next time. Yes. What are you laughing at, Kieran?
Better be a good launch.
Shush. It's not hard.
That thing's not bad. I thought it was going to be like all crazy.
No, it goes.
What's the point of that point? I thought you hate boring.
It's not boring when there's smoke.
Fast, right?
It's not boring when there's smoke. It's fast, but I'm not going to go crazy fast and attract attention here.
It's the 50 mile per hour rule.
Yeah.
Yeah, my Mustang did not follow.
This thing will do way over 100. But I'm not going to do that today. It's surprisingly easy to fly too. It's not hard.
4 minutes.
Flies like a gyros in there.
With the tail, it was a vertical, so that's probably more stable.
The rudder really works on this thing too. You can do knife edge.
You don't have those small side things. The winglets.
Actually, this is perfect to chase a Spitfire.
Nah, I don't have that power. Outrun it.
Yeah, this is really slow for this plane. It goes really fast. Just skids. I used to just land on the runway at Livermore.
Does it stall?
Not really.
Time remaining.
With the way that I have it set up now, it doesn't stall with full up.
So you won't mess up the plane.
No. Hopefully not. Now that you said it, I probably will.
I did that to you once with your F-18. I called nice lane before you did
Before I landed, and then it bounced all over. I had it.
Nate, you know Nate sold his,
Yeah, he sold it to Mike.
yeah, he's actually going today, I think.
Sold what?
His F-18, he's giving it to him today.
Oh, the E-Flight one?
Yeah.
Oh boy, does he know about the defects?
I don't know.
I hope someone should tell him, because I don't want Mike to, I want to,
Mike's dad's gonna get all pissed at him.
yeah.
That's the funny thing, he'll just get pissed at Mike. But Dad, it's not my fault.
It's not my fault. I didn't do it.
Which in that case, no, it isn't, because that should be completely fine from the factory.
No, didn't do it.
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
No, didn't do it. What the heck? Gotta figure out how to do the spin again. There we go. This thing will fly forever too. Full speed for 5 minutes.
Wow.
Whoa, big thermal.
Yeah, there's always something when you reach that runway threshold on landing, you're gonna get bumped.
Yeah.
It's always been that way here.
Quick, it's like, it's a hill, the wind's coming.
Yeah, it depends on which way the wind's blowing, but there's always bumps.
Today it shouldn't be that bad, because the wind's going that way, so it's kind of going down the hill and then bouncing off.
Well, No, the problem is you're sinking, so you're giving up elevator,
Yeah.
and as soon as you hit the threshold, then it'll just rise again.
Yeah.
It's like boom.
Time remaining 1 minute. Time remaining 1 minute 0 seconds.
I clicked it just as it said 1 minute. Alright, let's go like a nut for this. I don't want to. Oh, wait, is my rudder loose?
I hope not.
Yeah, it is. See, it just did it right there, see ya?
Yeah.
What was that?
It bounced! Nothing else I could do, it bounced. I can't do anything else, it just bounced. Now it's not loose. Something was flopping around.
Gear down.